what I've been getting, and again, I think like it happened in the checkpoint, and then I'm like, you know what, screw it, and I went and looked at some other people's GitHub for this, and it's the checkpoint stuff again, so it shouldn't be, you know what I mean? There shouldn't be anything wrong with it.
Yeah. Well, I mean, it's new stuff, so you never know.
Right, but I don't know because I saw somebody else's one of their commits in GitHub, and it was the same. So I don't know if they're just pushing it up there with it not working, or
Yeah,
you know what I mean? Because you'd expect if they had the same stuff, they'd get the same error and the same failure that I did.
absolutely.
So that confuses me if they're just pushing it through because it's like not a big deal or something. But then like for the assignment, it has you go. What does it do? Like, make sure, are you sure this is right? Yes or no. And when you hit no, it just takes you back to the form. No big deal. When you hit yes,
Mm,
it throws that error because it's not creating it actually. It's not actually creating the user.
I see.
So
Can you go to the user controller spec?
yeah.
Okay.
So that's it there. Yeah.
Create a new user, expect post, create user. Oh, interesting. And so does the so what's the error that's being thrown? It's not
Yes.
changing by one, supposedly.
That's the thing in here. It's expected to change by one, but was changed by 0. And this test is the same one from the posts, creating a post, and it's
Yeah.
identical, and that works.
And
You know
then
what I mean? So I don't.
so can you show me new user attributes?
Here.
Okay. Does that have everything?
And name, email, password. Yeah, name, email, password, and then confirm.
Okay. Can you go to user.rb? Okay. So before save, you downcase the email. Before the save, you capitalize the name. You have an email regex, and then you have a name regex.
Which I stole. I still don't understand that fully and how to like do that, but I found it and it worked. So,
Right.
or that could be the issue. I don't know.
Okay. And then you validate the name as a length between 1 and 100.
Mhm.
Follows the name regex. And then email, it needs to be unique. And then, yeah. Okay. And the password, it has a minimum of 6. So can we go back to the user controller spec? Okay. Um, have you tried just creating, the thing is that it's not really throwing an error otherwise, right? So like, do you know if the user is being successfully created at all?
Well, this is what I'm getting when I hit. Hang on.
Oh,
Let's do. Okay, so you do create user.
uh-huh.
Up, and yes, and then you get this. So it's not actually. So I'm assuming these two things are connected.
I see.
The two problems are connected because it's not. This says it's failing the test to create a user, and this tells me it's not. The parameters are wrong or something, or it's undefined method.
Right. Can you go to Atom? Try nesting all that within a user within user. So like enter a new line before line 7,
Okay.
and then user colon, and then a brace. Brace, not a bracket.
Oh, sorry. Yeah.
Yes. And then just put the next 4 lines within those braces. You can put enter, just to give it some space.
Wait, what am I doing? Oh, gotcha.
Yeah, and then just put the other 4 lines in there.
Oh, instead of user.
Inside of user, yes.
Okay.
I mean, maybe it's not necessary, but we'll see. Okay. Oh,
No, that's, yeah.
keep that brace. Yep. Okay. Now try run the RSpec again. Okay. Well, I can help you get the browser version working better. So can you go to your, I guess, the web page that sends the request to the controller? So whatever this is. Well, that's the controller, the thing that pings the controller.
So the model or the view?
The view. No. The view.
New user, there we go.
Okay.
Because in the assignment it had you put this in, this action confirm, which, and that works, as I said, that works to bring up that page to the confirm page, and then,
Yeah. Interesting. Okay. Let's see. And then now, can you go to the controller and after line 17, actually write the word raise on the user's controller? Yeah. I just enter a new line and then write raise. Save. And then reload the page. Okay. And then could you scroll down in the web browser? Keep going.
that's it.
Oh, there's no spot for you to enter. Can you open up the window a little bit more?
Yeah, sorry. I forget how small that is.
That's weird. You're supposed to be able to. Right. You're supposed to be able to like debug in there.
Oh, really? Yeah, I've never, all these, when I get errors like this, I've never been able to do that.
Okay. I'm going to give you another gem then. It's called Better Errors.
Okay.
And so, here. So, here. So just go to your gem file. And then you can use Command P to switch between files, by the way. Anyway, so go to line 13, enter a new line, and then type gem, and then make single quotes, better underscore errors. Okay, and then yeah, bundle, and then rerun the server. Okay, and then now reload the page. There we go.
That's a bit different.
Yeah, but where's the terminal?
Well, I still don't have that.
Yeah, well, take out raise, and then maybe it'll start showing. Yeah, that's good. All right, and then save, and then reload the page.
No.
Could you add the gem binding of color? See that right there?
What's that?
Yeah,
Oh, add gem binding of color. Okay.
let's get that in there.
Same in development there?
Mm-hmm. Binding of color, I think.
Yeah.
Also, bundle just works too.
Oh, really? Okay. Did that do anything?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Yeah, 16. Yeah. Okay.
Is this the error you get when you try running the server?
Yeah. Huh.
What's the error you're getting?
We've encountered a bug, blah, 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 abort trap 6.
Scroll up, yeah. This doesn't look good.
No, actually, this has happened before.
Oh, really?
What the hell did I do? Oh, God.
Default.
It was like install, reset, bundle, something, something.
Do you want to try reinstalling the bundle?
Yeah. So would it just bundle install, or do you have to clear it first, or what?
You might know better than me for this one.
Yeah, I'm looking through my notes because I swear this has happened before, and because I remember asking Chris, like, why did I have to do that?
Interesting.
And I don't remember what he said, but I wrote it down.
You can run bundle and then see if it works.
What the hell is that? Yeah, it says it was installed.
Yeah, and then run again.
Run what? Bundle again?
Yes. Okay. Did you bundle again yet?
Yeah.
Okay. Now run Rails S.
Oh, same thing.
Pry. Pry is giving you problems. Just take pry out. It could be a bunch of things. Just try to take pry out first. I'm not sure if you have an affinity towards pry.
No, it was just for one of the checkpoints, just showing what different things you could do with it, but
Right.
I probably don't know any better anyway, so okay.
Bundle. And then Rails S.
Same thing.
Okay. What version of Ruby are you running, and what version of Rails are you running?
Rails says, can you just, is there something I type to just find that out, or what?
Ruby-V and then Rails-V.
2.21 on Ruby.
Hmm.
And 4.2 on Rails.
Okay. Regardless, I mean, we can take out bond name caller since that was giving the problem.
Okay.
And then Rails, yeah. And then reload the page. Okay. So I guess from here, it sucks. Yeah, why don't we just do puts and then params? So just after line 17 in Atom, just write. Yeah, and then after line 17, just do puts params. Reload and then go to terminal. And you got a chance.
Oh. Okay.
Okay, and then go to terminal and then look at the output for this. And then scroll up.
And it's the undefined method blank array.
Right, but I think the thing to look out for is the actual parameters. Yeah. So, see, I don't see any parameters for user here. I see controller, I see action. Do you see what I'm saying? So UTF-8 authenticity token commit controller action, but there's no user parameters.
Okay.
But was that in the checkpoint to? Let me see if I can find it for you. Which checkpoint was that in?
37. Should be authentication sign up.
Okay, so there's that, and then there's the action confirm or something. Can you show me that part again?
Which one?
The confirm action on the form. So
on the form.
Yeah, could you go to, I guess, confirm.html.erb?
Oh yeah, that one.
Right. Okay. And then what about, could you go to the original form?
For the user, yeah.
Now, where is the user, where's the confirm.html.erb? Was that part of the assignment?
That is part of the, yeah, the assignment. Yeah, the whole thing, like what we're doing now with the the user controller and that's part of the checkpoint. What they had me type in, the create method and everything. That's part of the checkpoint, and then the assignment was do the make a confirm thing.
Right.
Create a new view for confirmation. Blah blah blah. Form in new.html.erb will need to point to the new confirmation page, blah, blah, blah.
Yeah. But
it tells you what to put in the form for.
Right.
So.
Oh, they do. Where do they tell you to?
It says in your user's new, you will need to point to the new confirmation page you can use, and that's this. That they have you put in instead of.
Right. Do they give you the confirm code?
What's that?
The code for the form for confirmation?
I don't think so. Just says you can use that in Form 4 to accomplish this, and they write out the code right in front of you, and so basically it was copy and paste right in there. That whole line was just copy and paste.
Right, that line is, but not the actual confirmation form, right? Did they give you confirmed?
Well, no, they just that was just hang on, where the hell is it?
Go to confirm.
Yeah, that's this. I mean, that's that was just this page.
I understand.
Just a yes or no button.
Yeah. Well, could you go to confirm.html.erb?
Yeah.
Okay. So if I were you, I would write this differently. Could you go to your users form?
Wait, which one?
The form for the users.
Oh, sorry.
The
New, yeah, this one.
Okay. Yeah, let's take. I would say let's take all of it. Let's take lines 18 to 33. So copy that, and then go to confirm.html.eob, and then just paste that in after line 8. Okay, and then let's see.
Yeah, I mean, I just did that because that's basically, I mean, the in the assignment they show a picture of the page and say make it look like this.
Yeah.
You know, so
Can you just reload this just to see what it looks like here?
just do this.
Yeah, reload the confirm page.
Yeah. Oh yeah, because it's a post users/confirm, not get.
Okay.
Because it's not a get. Yeah, because now you're asking for stuff with those forms.
Yeah, can you go back a page? Okay, and then just submit this form again. Okay. So this has a general idea, but so can you go to the atom? Okay. And so this time, so notice how this is like pre-populated already, kind of.
Yeah.
So trying to think about this. Create a new view for confirmation. It should look something like this. Form for user. Oh, well, does it work already?
What?
What happens if you click yes again? Do the parameters get there?
No, that's when I get the. Well, hang
I
on.
get these, but
No, that's when I got that first error message we were looking at.
so could you delete lines 8 through 24?
Yeah.
Or just yeah, you actually need to delete them for now. Delete, reload the page, and then or like go back a page. Yeah, fill in the passwords.
Oh, shit.
No worries.
Too far.
Just go to users new and just do it again. Okay, fill it in. Sorry about that.
The other thing I noticed too, remember we did that capitalized thing before, and it was when I put my name in here lowercase, it didn't take it.
Really?
Yeah, which is odd. Because I thought that was the whole point of that.
Yeah. Right, but notice how in parameters the user parameters are not in there, at least from what I can see.
Right. Yeah.
Okay. But it does say what does it say here? Action create Yes. Well, it's weird.
Yeah, it is really strange actually. It's
Yeah.
like the thing before. It doesn't make sense why it's not.
I think your confirm form isn't submitting the actual thing. That's like my question. So could you just go to Adam? Okay. And
Oh, so you think it's just this confirmation thing that's not submitting it?
yeah, yeah.
Okay.
So I think it's just not submitting like your parameters properly.
But I think before I even had, well, I can't even say that though.
Yeah.
Before I even had the confirmation page in and you just hit sign up, I
Yeah.
don't think it did it either.
Really?
Yeah.
Interesting.
I can't, you know what? I don't know if I actually tested it, but it was throwing the RSpec error.
I think those are two separate errors you
Oh,
got.
really? Okay. I thought because it was singing kind of a similar thing, I thought they were related, but
Might be two separate errors. So let's just try this. Here, could you press Command Z and then just get those form fields to show up again? Yeah, and then could you put type hidden? So could you like so after colon name in the text field line, just put type colon, yeah, right there. Type colon hidden. In quotes, I guess. Or actually, I think it's hidden field. Let's make sure. Yeah, so instead of text field, just do hidden field.
oh, so just do F hidden field?
Yeah.
Okay. But take out the type.
Yeah, take out type, just make it hidden field. And then I guess you're gonna have to do it for the other ones. So just, go ahead and do that.
Just change all the fields to hidden.
Yeah, all of them to hidden fields.
Okay. Try it again.
Well, you have to go back a page.
Oh.
Yeah. Cool. And then, yeah, just try submitting again. And then, yeah, and then just to make sure, just right click on password and then just inspect the element.
I can't.
You can't right click on password?
Oh, inspect element catcher.
Okay. So notice here it says now it's all like hidden and then so invalid your password.
Right.
Okay. And then so see how it's like populated?
Yeah, now, yeah, right.
Yeah. Now click yes.
Cool. That worked.
Yeah, somewhat. It somewhat works.
No, I keep using this email, so it must have before I did the confirm page, I probably used this and it worked.
Right.
You know what I mean? So yeah, that works.
Yeah. So can you go to Adam and then remove the labels because you don't need those anymore.
Oh right, yeah.
It'll just be like fully hidden as a form, I guess. You probably can take out the group tags as well if you wanted, but
Oh, so just leave the hidden field.
yeah, take everything out but the hidden fields.
Okay. Yeah, that worked.
Cool. Very good.
Yeah, because now it's blank. Yeah, okay.
Yeah. So now with your RSpec, let's go to that. So can you run your RSpec?
Right.
It's probably gonna fail, by the way.
No.
Passed.
Yeah.
It's crazy.
Well, no, that was yeah, because like you said, you could actually see that it was passing the values in now. That's really weird, actually. Huh.
Oh, I guess.
Because we changed it and made it.
Yeah. Can you go to the RSpec actually? I want to see what.
Oh, go to this. Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. Post create user new
Yeah,
attribute.
this one here.
Okay. So perhaps it was nesting the attributes into a user. Yeah, I think that's what did it.
Okay.
Yeah, just because the way it works, you're looking for the user attributes
Mm-hmm.
within user in the controller, so that's why you wrap into like a user.
Okay.
So cool.
Yeah, no, yeah, that makes sense. Because you were asking if these were correct, but they weren't actually there yet. You know.
What do you mean by those?
Well, I mean, like the name and email and everything else, because now you're actually putting them into the what you're submitting.
Oh, yeah. I think again they're two separate issues.
Okay.
Um, I think that is just more like of the website, and then in terms of this post create, um, I think that's just
Oh, because we missed. Yeah, right.
that's just because they need to be nested properly.
Yeah, no, sounds good to me.
Cool. Any other questions or?
No, man.
Okay. Cool. Well, I'm sure I'll see you again.
Yeah, stay up for like an hour and a half, and I'll be back.
I might be gone, but
Yeah, I figured it's late there.
yeah,
What day is it? Friday? Yeah.
Friday.
Turn your stuff off.
Hey, I mean, this is pure fun, right?
Yeah, I guess.
All right, man. I'll see you around.
All right, thanks again. Appreciate it.
Cheers.
All right, bye.